Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's just about 5 a.m. in the morning on a Monday here. Markets aren't open at the moment. Um, I think I see stuff on Facebook. Apparently, the UK have gone on to daylight saving time. Anyway, it's still 5 o'clock in the morning here for me. Welcome, Tom.
Hey, Brian.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Not too bad. I'll have to explain. You know how I was having trouble last week to try and get the Zoom to live stream and all that sort of stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, so I had to, on Friday, I spent time with my internet provider because I was having a whole lot of trouble. It was working, not working. There was dramas going on. Anyway, by the time I got onto someone, it's like, oh, their tech department was closed. And so then I had to wait till Saturday. It was Saturday afternoon, evening. And then finally they worked out, they think that the SIM card, because I've got a modem that has like a 4G SIM card in it, which is my internet. And they reckon that the SIM card is dodgy or something. Anyway, so that's supposed to be mailed out to me and I'll get it tomorrow, the next day, whatever. But anyway, on Sunday, then I said, oh, look, I just went, the thing wasn't working. I was having so much trouble. I just leave it. That's why I haven't messaged you. Anyway, Sunday afternoon, I come, everything's working again. It's like as if there's some magic or some gremlin got out of the system. So anyway,
Yeah. Technology, man. Who knows?
yeah, no, and now it's back online again. So
Perfect.
yeah. All right then. Let me and I can and I'm streaming, so I sort of worked out what was going on in the end. All right, let's just share this. Sorry, because we're streaming on. So, welcome to this live forex analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people who help each other, and we are not financial advisors. So, please don't take trades you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure. Bit about us as live session traders. Right now. Just 1 minute. I will. I just need to go and turn the fire down. Hang on a minute. Yeah, we've been getting a bit of rain and sort of gone to a bit of a cool snap. So things were warm, and then anyway, so to keep the boss happy, we'll put the fire on.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right. So let's go back to where we were and have a look. Hey, are you okay?
Oh, I'm better than okay.
Okay. That was my dilemma for the weekend. So I'm just sort of trying to explain why I couldn't get much done and doing lots of other bits and pieces. So,
Yeah, no worries.
uh, okay. So, this is where we were at on Friday, I think it was. Yes.
Thursday. Or yeah, you're Friday.
Thursday for
Yeah.
you, Friday for me.
Yeah.
Okay. So I had a bit of a look at this last night.
Hmm.
I'm still, not still, sorry. Well, that's not the right thing. I'm looking at the opportunity to be able to see to take a trade in the at whatever point it is, right? So that's what. How do I try to explain it more? It seems a little too distant at the minute, and maybe that's where it needs to be. But anyway, I'll let you explain some stuff. So
Okay. Let me blow your mind.
okay,
So over the weekend, I felt the same way. I wanted it to be more specific on a location where I thought it was going to change direction or a continuation. I wanted more clarification.
Okay,
So pick
good.
a pair. Don't care what pair you pick a
We'll
pair.
just stay on this pair then for the
What
minute.
is this?
AUDCHF.
AUDCHF. Oh, beautiful example. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, go to your top frame and
Yeah,
just blow that up.
the daily. Okay, yeah. And you want to see more of it?
I want to see it all.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
And go to your weekly time frame.
That's where it is there.
Okay.
That's back to where was that? That's 2000, January 2000.
Are you on your weekly time frame?
I will be now.
Cool. Get rid of that big fib.
Oh, you don't want the big one?
Uh,
Even though it's
well, no,
giving
you
us
can keep it.
direction.
Just make it a 70-20.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Can do. Hang on. Well, 2075, but that's okay. That's what we done, but that's okay.
Okay. So now grab the top of that gold rail at the bottom, your diagonal fib.
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
Yeah, grab that and pull it to the high
Yeah. Up over here.
to your right.
Oh, wrong one.
Ooh,
Wrong one. Wrong one. Sorry. Whoop. That one.
yeah,
To the right.
yeah. Where the triangle is up top to your right.
What the hell's that line doing there?
That's your 233.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's only a little one. I thought I drew it there. It's like
No, that fib's coming in hot. That
you
233 is coming in
you
hot.
want
Yeah,
you want to that high?
right there, and then drag the other one up to the other high. Or I should say the lower high next to it.
This one. Oh no, this one here.
At the top of
No,
that one, yes. The
hang
top
on.
of that one. So drag it up to the
Yeah.
top. Keep going. Keep
Oh,
going.
further up there.
Yeah, there you go. Right there. Now pull it over to take all the tops of the.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, great.
Something like that. I'll just bring it down further. Yeah. Right
All
here.
right.
Done.
Now go into your um,
It's coming
toolbox.
off. It's coming off too high, though.
I know,
Okay. Take what?
but you have to look what it's doing too,
Okay. Yeah, it's in the
because all you're
channel.
looking for is the breakout when it finally happens.
Yeah, from the channel. Yeah.
Okay, and then go to your tools on the left, and you want to go to the fib zone one, two down. No, two
Two.
down
Oh,
on the
sorry.
tools. There you go.
This one.
Yeah, and fix range zone down at the bottom, towards the bottom.
Fixed range volume profile.
Yes, star
Okay.
that one.
Yeah.
Okay, just put it on your screen somewhere. Doesn't matter where, because we're
Oh,
going to change the settings.
it didn't do anything. Hang on. Oh, that's not it. Yeah. Oh,
Well, no, you
it's
got to put
there.
it over candles somewhere.
It's there. It's this line. Have I not moved it, have I? Yeah, probably not. No, no. Huh? It's just sitting on that
Okay,
one.
delete it.
Okay. Get it again.
Get it again. Now go from, see at the top of your blue fib on the big one,
Yeah, up here.
down to the where it has all those stars, the triangles. There you go. Okay, now click on the little cog. I can't see it.
Oh, sorry. You got import, inputs, style, coordinate, visibility.
Hold on, let me go to mine.
You got number, row size, volume. I don't think I can make it
Okay, so
any
it,
bigger.
what are you in? Inputs?
Yeah,
Okay, so it's 24 total and 70.
yeah,
Yeah, okay, then go to style
yeah.
and do uh volume profile. I have as a, I don't even know if that, does that even show?
What volume profile, please?
Oh, that's the histogram. So yes. So you want that soft yellow or gray,
Or
whichever one you got now at the top. The one that
which
says, oh, values is
up
shut off. Never mind. Don't pay attention to me. Anyways, the down,
the up volume is a bluey. You
make
got
that gray.
gray. Um, okay, gray. Well, yeah.
All those should
Get
be gray.
all of them. Down volume, everything.
Well, the down volume, yes.
Value area up, value area down.
Yes, those should be gray as well.
Okay.
And then when you get to the VAH, they got to be bright enough so you can see them though.
VAH, yeah. It's not ticked.
Right, but the gray ones have to be bright enough so you can see them.
Yeah, but you need them ticked or not?
No, no, the gray ones you just did
Yeah.
have to be bright enough so you can see them.
Yeah, I can see them. Yeah.
Okay. And then the VAH is blue
Yeah, but it's not ticked, so you have
ticket.
to tick it and make it blue. Yeah, yeah.
Other blue.
Other
Yep,
blue.
that one. And then the VAL is white.
Yeah,
And then the POC is red.
yeah.
Okay, and then go to the top where it says width.
Says which?
Width
Oh, yeah, yeah.
should be 21.
Okay, yeah.
Placements left. And let's go back to
No,
inputs.
developing
Extend right.
POC. Yeah.
Do you go back to inputs? Do you have extend right?
No. Yeah. Done.
Perfect. Okay, save that. Oh, is that a background on yours?
Uh, probably. Yeah.
How do you get rid of that background?
Is it histogram? Yeah, it's histogram. There you go.
There you go.
It's this histogram box.
Okay.
Save as what?
Oh, also go into, you want to save those for a good size too. So close that and then go
Yeah.
into the three colors, one, two, three, where it's blue, white, and red, and make those
Yeah.
nice and thick bars.
Ah, okay. Do you want them thicker ones? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, you really want them to stand out.
Hmm. Yeah,
Now save it.
okay. What we going to save it as?
Your name, just so you know.
hmm Right.
Okay, now
Okay.
get rid of that, or actually just move it. So grab it by the top where you started it,
Yeah.
and you're going to move it down to the very. You're going to move it down to the where you started that small fib.
Just
Oh
that.
no, not the big fib. You want the volume.
Sorry.
So
Oh,
put the
this
fib
one
back.
here.
No, put the fib back.
Yeah.
Yeah, and grab the volume at the top.
The volume. Where's the volume?
Click on any of those gray boxes. Any of those
Oh,
gray boxes. Just click on one, and it'll
yeah.
show you the circle at the top.
Yeah.
And then drag that down to the bottom of the top of the fib at the bottom. And then drag the
There.
bottom of the one you just put on, the volume one, over to where it's at now.
This bottom bit
Yep,
over to here.
yep.
Right.
Okay. This is why you're only interested in the 70/20s. So what this is telling you is it's still creating, because could you blow this area up now? Just where that fib is. So you can see we're on a downtrend, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what this is telling you is it's broke the fib box. This is where volume stepped in. You see where the red line is, where most of the trading took place? You got a knuckle there.
Yeah.
So now what I'm waiting for is this pullback, because it has to go into the white line at the bottom of that fib, of not the fib, the white line of the
Whatever it's
volume
called.
box.
Yeah. Okay.
It's got to come back into this market to close it, and then it can continue on. So I'm looking for a wick here.
Oh,
This is
yeah.
on the weekly.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a weekly. Yeah.
Okay, go down to daily. Don't change anything on your screen. Just go down to daily.
Mm. Yeah.
Slide it over a little more. There you go. Okay, you see the channel coming down? The
Uh,
yellow channel coming
yeah.
down that it's in right
Yeah.
now?
But it's not touching the top of these.
No, 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 no. The yellow one, the yellow channel fib.
Yeah. This one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So
That's what
this
I'm
is
saying. It's not touching the tops of these ones, though.
doesn't have to. Don't
Okay.
don't move it. It doesn't have to.
Yeah. Yeah. Because it was set up on the weekly. That's all.
That's right.
Yeah.
So here, all I'm looking for is confirmation that this thinks it's still going down.
hmm
It hasn't come up and touched that box yet. It missed it. So as this works down now, it's going to have to pull back up and touch this white volume box.
You mean the line between the white and the red?
Right. With a wick or a candle or whatever between that red line and that white box to keep, or white line to keep going down. So as this is
Mm.
working down now on the daily, we see where it's going. Now we drop to 2 hour.
Yeah.
And here it comes. So now we're only looking at taking trades in the bottom portion of the daily time frame, because we know what direction it's going from the weekly down to the daily, down to the 2 hour. So think of it like the 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, and the 15-minute time frame. That's what you're looking at on a bigger scale.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So to keep going down, it's gonna have to come back to this white volume box.
Hmm.
So we want the majority of our trades to be around these red POC lines.
Yeah.
Okay, so grab your volume one more time.
To put on the 2 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yep.
And do it from at the bottom. You want the bottom, just like the last lower high there.
This one, the low.
Okay. I mean,
To
I
there.
literally took from what it's creating now, but it doesn't matter. Anywhere you want in there, it's going to have to uh,
So what I
deal
just
with that box
so
basically.
what I did was I put it on from this low to that high there.
Yeah, and I put mine on from where that last high was created by the top of the box
Yeah.
down to your right,
Down to this low.
down to that low.
Okay, hang on. I'm just gonna. Where the fuck's it? Where is the circle gone? Is it that one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's that one. Okay. You put it to there.
Uh-huh. And then move the top down to the top of that move.
Oh, which is the high just there.
Yeah. I'm only this week, this entire week,
Yeah.
I only need this to move just up and down here. It may be 3, 4 weeks because I'm trying to catch it out of the two. And if I'm going to catch it out of the two, I want it to come off the volume of its last move. So as this moves up and down, up and down, up and down, it's going to create more volume in here at the low. It's going to give you a knuckle. The trend line's going to turn blue, and we're going to push out of the two. And it'll may only push back up to that white box at the top. Well,
Hmm.
if that does, that's going to take weeks, weeks.
Oh, you mean the white box on the daily? Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to my head, I'm trying to understand what you just said, which in actual fact is if I was to go there, yeah, it's hang on, in relation to the 2 hour, that's like way up here.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Yeah, right
breaking
at the
that,
top where you got that triangle to your
breaking that
left.
high. Yeah, that one.
Yeah. No, the one above it
It's
to your
even
left.
it's even further. Yeah, it's this one up here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you got all this time to evaluate this trade until it gets ready to leave that 2-0 box because we're pushing up.
It's saying it is. Oh, because is it because it's made a low there and not broken the higher low or the low there?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, neither
As
of us
as
know.
you have said a billion times, the market's going to do whatever the market's going to do.
It's going to do, yeah.
All I'm going to try and do is catch it coming out of that 2-0 up to the 75.
And basically, what is the blue, the red, and the white line are basically where you put it on. It's the activity of the high and low, and the red is the majority of trading, like it's where it's the most activity.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So you have direction, you have location, you have price now, and volume.
Mm. But it's interesting, yeah, we got volume there, but it hasn't come up into that volume. Like it hasn't attracted it to there. It's pushed it back down again. So it's not, it doesn't, yeah. which is true. It doesn't always react or doesn't always get drawn to that. The trend has also got a bit of, it's got also an overarching power to it.
Yes, except look where your volume is at on your 2 hour. Can you blow that up a little bit?
Just here,
Yeah,
sure. Oh, you mean you want to get closer in?
yeah, please.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so that's how far it's got to come back up to test that white box.
The white line between the white
Yeah,
and the red, you mean?
yeah, that's it.
It's, but it looks like it's gonna, well, the prediction is it's not going to make it there.
But we know those predictions are typically wrong. In
Yeah,
fact,
yeah.
look at you.
No, no.
If you look right there, it created a knuckle for you.
Yeah, this just here.
So if it's considering that knuckle, which I would which I would put it on a box so you
Yeah,
can
yeah, let
see it.
me, yeah, I'll just show you. Because it's there now. Yeah.
Yeah, drag that all the way across. Might as well.
Oh,
There you go. Look at that. So if it's considering that knuckle as touching the bottom of the box, then you're right. It's not going to make it up there. That's why they
hmm
left that knuckle there.
hmm
So as this pushes up and I see it gets a brick and
a
it starts
gold.
its turn
Yeah.
on the weekly, on the daily, now on the 2 hour,
hmm
I'm saying this is going to come up, create a brick, push down, push up, push down, push up, tap, tap here,
hmm
right?
hmm
And then continue to push down on the higher
mm
time frame.
Yeah.
Because what you're seeing on the higher time frame, all these up and downs on the 2 hour time frame are just
Uh,
within the one brick
yeah.
at the
Yeah.
top.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and that one brick has got a wick on it, which is, that's yeah.
And what happens when we get a wick?
It normally continues in that direction.
Well, at least one brick, usually
Yeah.
one brick. If it's going
Mm.
to turn, that one brick is going to turn into a gold bar, which
Yeah.
means if you go to your daily time frame and blow up just that last little section there,
This last little section.
yes, right there, just blow that section up real quick.
No, I'm going to get a little bit more than just the one, but that's okay. There,
All right, good. Find your knuckle there,
which is just here.
right there.
Yeah,
And drag that across too.
yeah, look at the wicks there. Bang, bang, bang. Which is all of this. These
Mm-hmm.
push up, back down, same thing. And that wick on that one there is this push up here.
Right. So if we get one more brick down below,
Yeah, yeah, you mean down
and then
here.
it turns into a gold brick at the
hmm
bottom of this,
Yeah.
then I'm not looking for the push off of here. I'm looking for your top green box to be beat going in the other direction. That's why I'm
Yeah,
saying
to
slide that box across.
buy out of it, you mean? hmm Oh, you want it across further here. Yeah.
Yeah, just
Okay,
go all the
hang on,
way
hang
out
on,
to the
hang on,
green
hang on,
line
hang
so
on.
you can see where it goes.
Yeah, no.
There you go. So now is this going to be the reversal location since we're in the 2.0 section?
Yeah, or is it going to be breaking that lower low?
So here's the thing.
I think it's going to break. I personally think this is going to, like from a daily perspective, I think it's going to sell further because the 2 hour is going to come up, give us a gold brick, and then start dropping off again,
Mhm.
potentially.
It already
So,
has on mine.
oh, okay.
It's already gold
Yeah.
bricked. So even if it
Yeah.
just does like a little mini pullback
Yeah.
from the volume,
But yeah, but that could be from Friday when the market closed and a market could open, push up a bit, that gold brick could go, and then it could start to go down.
exactly.
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
Oh, and on the bottom one, put a
The two
second,
hour,
put a CN trend bar on the 2 hour, a
second
secondary one.
one, a
Yeah,
second one.
yeah.
Yeah, okay, hang on. Yep. What
And that
number do
one's
you
still at
want?
75.
That at 75, is it? It's on seven. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, because the other one is 200 and whatever.
233. So what this is going
Correct.
to do now is tell you, hey, you're in the two zone.
Yeah, yeah.
Every time this every time this 75 turns white into the two zone, you're looking for the push off.
Yeah, but
Every
in the
time it
two,
turns blue,
mm, mm,
you're looking for a buyout
yeah,
until this line at the top turns blue, this CM
yeah,
trend bar at
correct.
the top. And
Correct.
once
Yeah.
that turns blue,
Then
we're
we're
looking for
buying.
the failure and out we go of the
Yeah.
two zone.
The
It's
but in the 2 hour, it's still sitting below the 20 or the two zone you call it. Um, and it looks like potentially it doesn't want to come up and break. Potentially, it won't come up and break that two zone. It'll just come up close and then drop back off again.
mm-hmm,
That's what it looks like.
yeah, yeah. You're going in the right direction on the weekly, the
Yeah,
daily, the
yeah,
two
yeah,
hour.
yeah,
You're waiting for a brick. I already have my brick. I'm just waiting to get into the trade.
yeah. That's whether it stays there or not. Yeah.
That's why I'm saying move your volume profile down.
Which, I mean, down further? No.
Yeah,
Oh, well, this one. Well, where do you want it now?
I have mine. Let's see, it'd be your middle section. So
This
at the
one just here.
yeah, that one right there.
Okay.
See, because we only
Right.
want to trade the move.
The high to low. Actually, where is it that? Why isn't that sitting on there? Yeah, that's
So it
better.
just it just
Oh, it
autos do.
automatically.
Yeah, it
It
just
just,
autos.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I know. It's all right. So it's
So
come up. Mm-hmm.
so let's try and guarantee where we're at and how we're going to win a trade.
Hmm.
Go back to your weekly time frame.
Yeah, but hang on a minute. Can I just say something,
Yep.
Tom? So the way I see it, we can go back to weekly, but the way I see it is the daily is selling out and it's come down to this knuckle and it's done a wick. I mean, it could break this low, it could push back up, but it looks like from a 2 hour that it's going to fail here and then potentially push down further, which means this will push down further on the daily. All right, and let me go to the weekly. Okay. Whoop. Uh, you want that out, and then you want the weekly. Okay, hang on. Actually, I should be able to. There we go. There's your weekly.
Okay. Split the screen for the 2 hour again.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
That's okay.
There you go.
Okay. So on the weekly, if you could you find you see where the top of your blue fib is on your weekly for the smaller for the smaller fib?
Yeah, this one just here. Yeah.
Yeah, can you find that on the 2 hour?
Oh shit, maybe I might be able to, but I'm not sure because that'll be way up somewhere. Oh, maybe it's this one. No, it's not. It's
You could
further.
stop there. You could stop
Oh,
there.
okay.
So my point being is, look at all that trade, and you're not even halfway up that hill, right?
Yeah. Well, no, like even that fib there is way up further. Where I am here is only just there. It's
Yeah,
in
you're
this
you're not even half.
last.
You're not even
It's not.
halfway in that whole move.
Yeah, that's right. Not even half. We're
Okay,
probably below the 50 on that and coming down like it's still just down, down, down. Well, you can see it's still down, down, down. It just
okay,
doesn't show you those pullbacks, the
that's
pull-ups.
right. That's right. It doesn't show you the pullbacks or anything, does it?
Well, there are wicks, so it will be sort of, yeah,
So
anyway.
here's the only thing I want you to consider. Only, only take trades that have a gold bar on the weekly
Weekly in that direction.
in that direction
Yeah.
that match with the daily
Hmm.
in every fib zone. For example, the 70 on the gold ones, the
Yeah, yeah.
diagonals, the 70s on the bigger time frames,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
shorter time frames, only in the 70s, so on and so forth. And just
Hmm.
do that with every pair. Just keep those simple, basic rules.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
you're
So
not
it
interested in this trade until it comes out of a fib zone.
so if I change this to the daily, we're still selling those ads, and that's still selling as well. Like that's the same fib. That's still selling, 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 selling.
Uh huh.
All right. And so we've got a gold. We're down in the 20. It's coming down. This is in the 20. This is coming down.
Right.
So only taking sells. So at the moment, when I look here at the 2 hour with it pushing up, we've got to get a gold and we've got to get into the sell on that. That's what you're saying, aren't you?
Yes.
Because that's saying it's selling, that's saying it's the weekly say it's selling, the daily saying it's selling, and the 2 hour is still pushing up slightly until it does sell, and when it does, then it'll just be following the higher time frames.
Right. But you
And
want
then
that
it'll sell whatever the amount it'll sell. Doesn't matter.
right. But you want to make sure you have that gold bar in the 20 or 70 zone on the weekly time frame.
Which it is.
Is it?
Let's go, hang on, back up there to that weekly. Yeah, it's in the 20. It's between 20 and 100. And zero. Absolutely is. Yeah, look at it. It's there. Right there.
Yeah, but you don't have a gold bar yet, right?
For it to buy, no.
No.
But but we've got a gold bar up here and it just keeps selling, selling, selling.
Right. So what I'm saying is if you're going to buy it back up, because we're both in
Oh,
agreement.
it has to have a
So
gold
we're
bar.
both
Yeah,
in
yeah,
agreement.
yeah,
This
yeah,
is going
yeah. Yeah.
down, right?
Correct, correct.
Okay. And you're only trading the move for the week.
Yes, correct.
So
Yeah,
you only want that 2 hour time frame to be in your right direction and all that kind of stuff.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
not buying anything on the 2 hour time frame that is not a short until you get a gold bar in the
Yeah,
bottom of the 2 0 time frame portion on the weekly time frame.
yeah, yeah. And or daily.
And or yeah, I don't even count the daily anymore. I I'm only using the daily as confirmation we're going in that right direction.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
The weekly time frame, for example, I want the gold bar up in that 70 zone.
So if the yeah, no, no, no. But a question for you. If though, like for example, you see this in the middle of between the 70 and the 20 or 75 and 20 or whatever, when you see it in the middle here, you would just wait for months before you could take a trade. Is that what you're saying, or you would get into the sell?
Well, like you said, it's pushing down here. So if I wanted to take a sell, I would go to the 2 hour and just wait till it came back up to that bar and take the sell and that kind of stuff.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah, but I'm just
but
saying what you're trying to what I'm hearing you saying, you only take a trade when it's coming out of the 75 or out of the 20 with a gold indicator on it. But what happens with all this trade in the middle? You see, if it's come out of the 70, it's like, yeah, well,
no, you're absolutely right, Brian. That's exactly what I'm saying.
you would still follow that trend down to the 20.
Right. But you're
Okay.
you're in the bottom of the 20 right
Oh
now.
yeah, 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 exactly.
So my shorts would be limited to what it's doing down here on the 2 hour. Because even
Correct,
even
yeah.
the daily says it's gonna pull back. Or the weekly says it's gonna pull back.
It doesn't yet. Does yours? Oh, you mean with the green indicator line, with the
With the green prediction line.
projection line. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
am I
but
going to risk a long-term trade?
yeah, but the weekly is saying it's going to break that low, the zero, and then come back up because currently there is no gold indicator there. And if I go to the daily on there, it's exactly the same. There is no gold there's one there, but there's no gold indicator to say it's going back up as yet.
Right.
And this is like same from the weekly. It's saying it'll break that zero, come back a bit, whatever, and then come back up and come up above the zero that was there. And again, this is sort of what it's saying on the 2 hour. It hasn't got it breaking the zero yet, but that's the point. It could be up. It could. Let's get this sell. If it comes back up, you could get out. Wait. If it comes back up, be great. But then the forecast could be that it comes back down and breaks that low.
Right. But you're focusing on the wrong thing.
Okay.
If you go back to the weekly on the higher time frame,
Hmm. Got it.
it doesn't matter what it's doing from here down. It doesn't matter. Grab a placeholder for a short and go from the
Hmm.
70
75. Yeah.
and take the last high wick.
There's the last high wick there. You mean for stop loss?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Okay. From this point, you have no idea what that price is going to do after it leaves the 75.
Yeah. No. Well,
That's the point I'm trying to
you
make.
can see it left the 75, then pushed back up, then dropped off. That's
Right.
historical. It's there.
No, I understand that. But let's do it this way. The fib you got on there now,
Hmm.
drag it back up to that gold bar to your left.
This fib,
Leave that there.
I'll leave it there.
Grab the bottom of it
Um, yeah, yeah, bottom of it. Yeah.
and drag it up to the gold bar to the left. Nope, down, down, down. Yeah, right there. Drag it across
Other
the other
way.
way. Yeah. Okay, stop.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. This is what you would see because none of this is here yet. You're only seeing that last long blue line move, right?
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah,
So now drag your placeholder over to the 75 and the high.
yeah. This
Yep.
up higher.
No, 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 no. The placeholder.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you want that? Yeah, up to 75. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
And then take the high.
What do you mean take the high?
The stop loss, take the high.
Oh, you want it all the way up there. Okay.
That's your trade.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
So anything that happens down here between the 25 and the 75, or the 20 and the 75, is irrelevant. You don't care because you're only trading in these sections.
Yeah.
So am I worried about jumping into this trade right now at all this week or 3 weeks, whatever, however long it takes for this 2 hour to work across?
Yeah.
No, I'm not worried about this trade at all. If it's not in the 70 or the 20 zone on the fib, even if it's the diagonal fib, if it's in the 70 or 20, it's got to give me a gold bar within one of those 70 or 20 zones.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't care about this little stuff on the 2 hour time frame
Mm-hmm.
because grab your ruler. Oh, well, it should be right there, right? On your placeholder.
Yeah, it is.
How long did that take?
I know it doesn't tell you. Hang on. So if you take the trade from here down to where it is, it's 1,300 and 1,300 days.
Gee, that's only how many years?
Uh,
Three and
for
change?
4 years. No, it's 4 years.
4 years?
Well, no, no, no. Yeah, three and whatever. Not quite 4 years. You're right. Yeah.
So now I ask you, you only want to trade the gold bars. I don't give a shit what this is doing down here in the 2 hour. You only want to trade the gold bar in either the 70 or the 20. If this
Yeah.
thing takes another 3 years to cross this Rubicon to just either break up or break down,
Hmm.
you're looking at the higher time frame, just just trading the weekly time frame on the gold bars, because even you have said you get at least 3 bars.
Mm.
Well, how long did it take to get 3 bars from the top of that blue fib on the daily,
Mm.
or the
No,
weekday, I
just
should say?
just this three
Sure,
bars.
just do
Just
three
the
bars.
203 days.
Quarters of a
Yeah,
year.
because yeah.
So now do the same thing with a ruler from the high to the low on the 2 hour time frame. The most recent high to low.
This one
Yeah,
to this one.
yeah.
Yeah, well, that's only 30. It's a month.
It's a month. A
Yeah,
month, dude.
yeah,
This ship moves so slow, it's not even funny.
yeah.
That's how you set up your, that's how, right there is how you set up your charts. You want the big picture, little picture, volume where it's supposed to be.
Yeah, big
Yeah,
three
drag it
strike.
down. Let me show you something. Drag that down a little bit. That 50
Which
just had.
this further down?
Yeah, drag it down to that point. Not all the way down, right there.
No, no, that one. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So now you could almost kind of gauge. Well, no, you got to leave the top where it was because that's where it started. That was right
Hmm.
because you would have went off the back leg.
Yeah, but this could take another year before it gets down there.
Easily.
Yeah,
Yeah. So in the meantime, I'm looking for trades with the gold bars just starting in
on the
those
day,
zones
on the daily or
on the weekly.
on the weekly.
So you go,
There, there is
you
no,
find
there
one
is
that's
no.
in the zone
Yeah, but
on the weekly
there's no gold bar yet.
on this one.
Oh, right, okay.
You
On
got
this here.
27 chances.
Yeah.
So you find one that has a gold bar in a zone that's looking like it's ready to go one direction or another, and you work from top down that way.
That is. Look at that. And then still traveling down.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I know the fibs aren't right. I'm just looking at what I'm looking at.
No, I understand.
That's just created a
Yeah.
knuckle there.
Yeah. And what do we know about Knuckles? It's going to throw it one way or another, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah. That one, yeah. More likely to continue down. Tip, tip, you want. You got a knuckle there and it's still going up. Oh, gold euros. It's still coming up here now. Okay.
Ooh,
Well, that's interesting, isn't it?
that's promising.
Yeah. It's up in that sort of seven, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
USCHF. Euro GBP, where's that one? Quote 75 up in there. Euro JPY. Gold there up. Okay. Euro NZD. And okay. Euro Singapore. And oh, and if you look too, NZD, look, two lines have changed. Blue, blue.
Mm-hmm.
Are
Right out of
going
the
up.
25 or
Yeah,
the 20.
going up. Singapore, Euro Singapore coming out and up
That
as
looks
well.
promising.
Yeah, yeah, as well. Euro USD, same. GA. Ah, a
Oh, look
change
at
there.
that. Look at that.
We got a change there.
You got the 233 coming through.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hmm. The change of this though, but yeah. Okay. GCAD, coming up. Oh no, it's not. It's really only come out. It's still going up. Where is it? Yeah. Okay. Give you a few cents, yeah. Nice way down here. It's a bit messy here though, but it's okay. GJ. Ah, hang on, get out of the way. Oh, you got a gold there, gold there.
Look how big that turn's going to be when it goes.
Yeah, but yeah,
And you know
look
what
at
you're
it.
waiting for?
Well, you're waiting for it to break the high, but give us gold indicator to come back down.
You're waiting for that trend line to turn white.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Once
Yeah,
it
but
turns white on the weekly and you break the 75,
it's down. Yeah, but it's got to get up to the 75 to do that though.
no, it's failing here. That's what it's telling you. Go in
Okay.
close. Just blow up that last fib with the big fibbing
Oh, we
fib
haven't.
a little
We
bit.
haven't.
Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so look, stop right there. So you see the big fib, the 75?
Yeah.
Did it reach it?
No.
No. So now it's going to go back down and check what it missed at the bottom. So what did it miss at the bottom? Where's this
The
green arrow
50.
saying?
The 50.
Now it's going way back further than that. See your green predictor?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, that's going back there, way back down below.
It's going to make a new low.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So if that makes a new low, how many with your uh shalama, the ruler, if it makes
Yeah.
a new low, how far is it traveling?
Hang on. Yeah, yeah, asking for a off the top here somewhere down there. It's like 9,000 pips,
How many years?
nearly 10,000. Oh, hang on. I didn't do that bit. Sorry. Here down to there. It's only 210. It's less than a year.
Less than a year. Fantastic. So
Okay.
let's grab our short box, our placeholder at the 75.
Up here.
No, down at the one it's at.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's 75 in there. Yeah. Just there. But that's not quite right anyway. Hang on. Because on the daily, I have to modify it a bit there and there. The 75 is more there. 100 is it there. 622 pips. That's 14% over.
Okay. So now take the same placeholder and do it on the 2 hour time frame.
Mm. In a second. Take it from the same position.
Yeah,
Is
let's
that's
assume
what
it's
you're
going
saying?
down here and just take it from the 75.
All right, there. That one like that?
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I'll just bring it over.
Stop at the top. BEA beautiful. Yeah, we're going to say it's going to end there, for example. Just to the bottom, that low.
Yeah, but the point is the weekly saying it's going further.
Oh, I know it is, but just go to the low.
Okay. Oh, the low line. Oh, sorry. That's down there. Yeah.
Yeah. How long that take you?
How long will it take?
Mm-hmm. Heavy
Oh,
ruler. So if it started going
yeah,
down
but
at the
okay, yeah,
75 tomorrow,
down over here somewhere.
yep,
To 24 days, whatever. I don't know. I'm
about a
just,
month.
yeah, I'm just sort of calculating it sort of in that sort of direction with its up and downs.
Right. So you're going to have that thing move fairly quickly once it goes.
Yeah, well, that's fairly quickly
And
too,
that's a
isn't it?
month.
This move up here took, it's on the volume here, but that took 183 days to go up there. I don't know
Right.
why that, it says 27 days. Yes. Yes, because that's just on price, not on time.
That's right.
This will be on,
Same thing.
yeah. Okay.
So
Hmm.
don't panic. If you miss a trade this week, be glad
Yeah, 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 yeah. Because you can pick it up
because
and
you're looking for that golden trade.
yeah,
You
yeah,
want that gold bar at the top, that
yeah,
beautiful, just luscious,
yeah.
big old fat trade where if you
Uh,
throw a dead catch, you can't help but win.
see, and that's mm, uh, it's on the weekly. GBP Singapore. Right. It's just rubbish.
Looks like it's
GU now.
buying.
Yeah. This is GU. Mhm. Coming up to the 25. One, two. Okay. NCAD. We stuck with two. NZDCH here. Well, okay. So that's different. Like where, oh, look, it's done a pullback up here on the 2 hour. Okay. NJ. I'm got a gold on there for it to push back up. Okay, which that's what it's doing. All right. NU.
Well, go back there for a second.
NJ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you have a buy on the weekly with a gold bar. Has it wicked into the gold yet on the weekly time frame?
No, there's no wick yet.
Okay. So grab a volume profile.
That's not that one. Um, that one. Yeah.
And go from the high to the current low because there's two gold bricks there.
Two gold.
Yeah, one at the top and one at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, fix that fib. Go to high to low.
Yeah. Yeah. This is on that one's on the,
Now you want everything to be on the weekly time frame. Everything. The daily is only going to be a confirmation page.
yeah. That fib's there now. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you got to get a different. Hang on.
Now do the 70, do the 20, do the 20 70.
Okay. Oh yeah, because it's such a high time frame. That's right. 2075. Okay, done.
Okay. So if you look at this, you can see where it's at volume now. See the red line there? It's at volume.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Or just above it. Yeah,
So on the 2 hour time frame, if you look at this time frame, you see this push up creates a new high here and then pushes down real hard.
yeah,
That's the wick into the
yeah.
gold box on the weekly.
Okay.
So as this pushes down and you get into the bottom half of this fib on the bottom, you simply flip the fib over because it's now at the bottom 50 and wait for the push out to buy it.
Hmm.
You're going to create your wick here. Everything's ending. You can see your blue channel there, that regression channel. It's
Yeah,
all going to be ending. Your trend line's turning.
yeah, yeah. But the
So are you
weekly's
in a hurry
saying
to get in this trade?
no, but
No.
the weekly's saying it's buying.
Right. And the 2 hour time frame saying, yeah, we're buying,
Hmm.
but it's got to get there first.
Yeah.
It's got to create that wick into the gold box on the weekly, which is
Ah,
this,
with this green bit. Yeah, okay.
on the 2 hour.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
In fact, make that big one on the 2 hour a 70/20.
The bigger one. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, look where you're at. You're in the
Yeah,
top
that's the one.
70 zone. Get rid
Yeah.
of that little fib
Oh, yeah, okay.
and then slide this big one over. Grab a placeholder, short, from the 75 to the last high,
Oh, that high.
that lower high. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's going to fail the two. When it fails the two, what's going to happen?
Push back out.
It's going to shoot because it's going to shoot up on the weekly to
Yeah,
create
yeah.
another blue candle out
Another
of the
brick.
gold box.
Another brick. Yeah. Hmm.
And the reason it's going to create the wick on the gold box is that
So it
sharp
can.
move down
Yeah,
is too fast and it's not going to be able to withstand the gold box stopping it.
yeah.
Fail the two and take off.
Take off up into the buy. Hmm.
Now grab your
Long,
ruler
longer term. Yeah.
and tell me what that gold box on the weekly to the top of the green line predictor is.
Oh, shit, I can't get. Hang on. There we go. From the gold box. This one. Bottom of
Mm-hmm.
it, top of it.
At the bottom. Assume it's going to the bottom.
Oh, I can't see that. Oh, shit. Okay. Where are we at? Yeah. But it's not going to shoot up that hard. So, I mean,
No, it'll
pull it
take time.
like that's 160 days or something.
Okay, tell me when you can't figure out when the next one's going to be blue, the next blue brick.
Say
You
that
got
again.
160 days to figure out when
Oh,
the
yeah,
next
yeah, yeah,
blue
yeah,
brick's
yeah,
going to
yeah,
happen.
yeah, 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 yeah.
So even if you miss
But it
this,
won't be that. It won't be that long anyway.
no. So if you miss this one move down, ooh, I missed it. Who gives a shit? flip that flip that sell to a buy, and
Yeah,
kaboom, you're on your way to
yeah,
a
on the
much
way.
larger trade.
Hmm. Hmm.
And as this thing yearns and churns as we move along throughout the year, these gold bricks on the higher time frame, weekly time frame, are going to show up more and more and more,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
so
Gradually,
on
you're
and so
into
forth.
these. Yeah,
You want to catch it when it's coming out of 75, and you want to catch it when it's coming out of 20. And the reason you set everything up on the weekly, the daily is only confirmation, the 2 hour is your actual uh,
take a trade.
take a trade.
Yeah, yeah. Any confirmations? Now I need to go. Sorry, Tom. I got a
Okay, no, that's all right.
back new week, and I got to get out there early to do the buster. Okay, so we've
All
gone
right.
through. Hang on, let's quick have a look at these last couple, and Singapore Japanese yen. That's interesting. We'll push back up. That's maybe yeah. USD CAD. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. USD CHF. Yeah, it's just down. Down in the 25 here. It's still going down. Okay. And UJ. Okay, it's
Mm,
not. Yeah, well, we're up anyway. USD and Singapore. Okay,
look
right.
at that
Yeah,
dump.
that's a sell. Yeah, I know. And gold,
Come on, man.
4,000. Okay, we haven't got any gold any indicators there. All right then. All right, let me go. And now I'll just see. Hopefully my internet works again tomorrow, and then hopefully I should get the new SIM. But it looks like things are working again. I don't know. They reckon it's not the modem, it's the little SIM that goes in that is having some hissy fit or something. I don't know. They just cause bedlam. Anyway, I must go.
All right, man.